Hello everyone, I am Amit from WP Expo. Today I am going to show you how you can add table of contents to your WordPress blog post. First of all, you need to install the PostText plugin. To install this plugin, go to plugin section and click on add new. Then search for PostText and click on the install button. After the installation, click on the activate button. After activating the PostText plugin, you can add the table of contents block to any blog post. But before going into that, I'd like to inform you the table of contents blocks of PostText works as an add-on. You can find it in the add-on sections. By default, it will be turned on, but you can also turn it off whenever you want. Now go to the blog post where you want to add the table of contents. Add the table of content block like any other Gutenberg blocks by clicking on the plus icon. After adding the table of content, update the blog post and check how it looks at the front end. Now you can customize the table of contents according to your need. First of all, you can add or import any of these available layout and pre-made designs. Now let's go to the settings, starting with the heading text. You can decide which heading should be added to the table of contents. You can also customize the heading of this content table. At first, you can change the heading text, then you can change the color of heading text and background. After that, you can use the typography option, and at last, you can adjust the border radius and padding. You can make this table collapsible by using the button under the general settings. After turning on the button, you will get all the customization options for collapsible, which includes button position, type and text. There are more design properties such as color, background color, hover color, typography, border radius and padding. Now let's see the front-end view. You can also turn on the back to top feature from general settings, so that the readers can go back to top by using the back to top button. PostText allows full customization options for back to top feature, which includes button position and choosing from 3 button icons. Changing the colors of button, button background, hover and hover background are also available. You can also adjust the size of the button along with button radius and padding. Now let me show you the list body settings. First of all, you can choose from 5 hover styles and adjust the border width. But the main attraction is that you can make this table sticky so that the table of content will be visible while scrolling the page. Then you can change the position of the sticky table. Adjusting width, gap between list and Y spacing are also available. You can change the text color, hover color, background color, typography and adjust the padding. That's all about the table of content block of PostText. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video.